Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use weekly video ideas in the Edits app to make your Instagram content creation faster and more organized. Now, weekly video ideas is a feature in Edits that helps you stay inspired and plan your content ahead of time. Now, instead of constantly wondering what to post, the app gives you prompts or ideas for videos each week, and you can save them directly into your workspace. It's perfect if you want to stay consistent with your posting schedule or just need a creative push. Now, to use this, you want to open the Edits app and go to the Ideas or Inspiration tab. Here, you'll see the weekly suggestions. Now, these could be trending formats, popular content types, or creative prompts. Now, when you find one you like, you can tap it and add it to your storyboard or save it as a sticky note for later. Now, this makes it easy to organize multiple ideas in one place so you can plan your week's content without losing track. And once the ideas are in your storyboard, you can start recording clips, layering B-roll, adding audio, or using overlays all within the app. Using this feature keeps your content consistent, saves you time, and makes sure you're always in tune with trends while staying creative with your personal style. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!